Do you also want to collect your customers' feedback on WhatsApp? Then this video is definitely for you. So right here you can see that I have created this WhatsApp chatbot where I'm collecting my customers' feedback within the WhatsApp. So here as my user has selected the experience as great, I'm providing this list asking what they enjoyed the most. And from this list my user can select the service which they like the most, and as my user has selected the service, I have provided them this message that is we are glad you enjoyed it. And what if my user has selected the experience as good? So here for that, I'm going to provide them this message asking for the suggestions. And as my user has provided the suggestion, I'm providing this thank you message to them. And what if my user has the worst experience? And for that, if they select this button that is could be better, I'm asking for their suggestion that what we could improve. And if my user is providing their feedback, I'm providing them this thank you message. So right here you can see that I have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot which is collecting my customers' experience. So let me show you how this is working in real time. So for that I'm going to clear my previous chat, and here I'm going to freshly start this chat by entering this message that is hello. And this message is going to initiate my WhatsApp chatbot by using which I'm going to collect my customers' feedback. And right here I'm getting this message which says hi there, thanks for choosing Urban Bite Cafe. And right here I'm going to select my experience as great, and as I have selected it, I'm getting this message which says that's great to hear. What did you enjoy the most? Now let's open this list and select the service which I like the most, that is food and quality. And as I have selected it, I'm getting this message that is we are glad you enjoyed it. So now let me show you the process of creating this amazing chatbot by using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is a WhatsApp automation tool by using which you can create WhatsApp chatbots. AI assistant can broadcast WhatsApp campaigns by using which you can automate your entire WhatsApp conversation. So now let me take you towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow where we are going to create this amazing chatbot. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow which you can access by opening your browser and typing the URL of Pabbly Chatflow. That is going to be pabbly.com/chatflow, and right here we are on the official website of Pabbly Chatflow where we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Chatflow is currently offering the free trial. Means you can create and try this automation or this chatbot for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you have to sign in. And after trying Pabbly Chatflow, if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. You might get some other coupon codes as well providing you just 5% off, but by using my coupon code you can get 6% off on your purchase. Now let's move on towards the flow page where I have already added my WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this process, then you can check the video given on the description, or either you can check the video given on the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. And right here we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is the event which is going to initiate our WhatsApp chatbot. And as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message that is hello. So this is the keyword which has just initiated my WhatsApp chatbot. And here I'm going to use these messages and actions block, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. Now if my user will send me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that I'm going to just drag and drop and use this text button node which you can get from this message block too. And here I'm going to enter the welcome message consisting 3 buttons, that is great, good and could be better. Now let's enter this message. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to add a button by simply selecting this add button, and here I'm going to provide the button name as great, and likewise I'm going to add 2 more buttons to this message node. So here you can see that I have created 3 buttons, that is great, good and could be better. Now if my user will select the experience as great, I'm going to provide them list asking for what they like the most. So for that you just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting this list node. And now here in this list node I'm going to firstly provide the body to my list. So here I have provided this body to my list. Now I'm going to simply click over this add section, and here I'm going to enter my section title as services, and afterwards in this section I'm going to add some list item asking my user what they like the most by simply selecting this add items. Now let's enter the title of our first list item, that is food and quality. Now likewise I'm going to add some more items to this list. So right here I have created this list having 3 items, that is food and quality, service and ambience. Now I'm going to provide contact custom field to all these list items so that I can get to know what my user has liked the most. And you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. And for providing the contact custom field, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is set custom field, which you have to select. And now here I'm going to select my contact custom field as service type. So now let me search for it. And right here we are getting this contact custom field, and now it is asking me to enter the value. So here I am going to enter the same value for which I have created this contact custom field. And now this contact custom field will consist of the service selected by my user. And for creating this contact custom field, you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option that is contact custom fields, and you can create your own contact custom field. And likewise I'm going to provide contact custom field to all these list items. And by using this contact custom field, you can send personalized messages to your customers, as this consists of the data provided by your customers. So right here you can see that I have provided contact custom field to all these list items. Now if my user will select any of these list items, I'm going to provide them thank you or the confirmation message by just drag and drop and selecting text button. So here I have provided this thank you message in the text button node. And what if my user just has a good experience? Then for that I'm going to ask my user for the suggestions for improvement. So for that you have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is ask question. And in this question node I'm going to enter a message asking for the suggestions from my users. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered this question asking for the suggestions. Now let's select the contact custom field as feedback, and now let's select the format as any. Now if my user will provide me the suggestion, I'm going to provide them thank you message in the text button node. So here I have provided this thank you message. Now if my user will select this button that is could be better or they have the worst experience, then again I'm going to ask for the suggestion by using this question node. So now let's get our ask question node and enter the question or the message. So here I have entered this message asking for the suggestions for the improvement. And now here I'm going to provide the thank you or the sorry message in this text button node. So right here I have entered this message. So with this we are done with the creation of our customer feedback chatbot, by using which we are going to collect the customer feedback within the WhatsApp. And now as a business owner you don't have to do anything manually, because this chatbot is going to collect your customers feedback within the WhatsApp. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now. And I have provided the link of the flow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to save this flow by simply selecting the save button. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product to get a huge discount on your purchase. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.